This is the Athletico backpack that my daughter uses for her swim lessons. It is very large and I do love it. It has two side pockets here for water bottles, and the front pouch here is quite deep, and it also has another mesh pocket inside. And if you have a younger child, you can write their name on this white part here. And it's breathable. It has some mesh on the sides, on both sides here. This is quite a big bag. So on the back, it has a dry pouch area. So you open this long zipper, and here you can put your bathing suit. So after your swim, you could put your bathing suit in here so that it doesn't get the rest of your stuff wet. And then you can zip that up. And it also has a little card section here that you can put your name and information in here. If your child is going on a day trip to the beach or to the pool. So it does fit a lot of things in here. This is a large, lightweight backpack with a lot of useful compartments, especially the dry compartment to put your wet bathing suit and towel. I highly recommend this wonderful backpack. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.